Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Desi-style noodles at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of mixed, thinly sliced vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and cabbage. Also, prepare 1 cup of your chosen protein, perhaps chicken or paneer, cut into small, bite-sized pieces. Don't forget to mince 2 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger for that authentic aroma. Now let's build the flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or pan over medium-high heat. Add your minced garlic, ginger, and a couple of chopped green chilies, sautéing them for just 30 seconds until fragrant. Next, add your protein and cook it until it's lightly browned, which usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, toss in your sliced vegetables and stir-fry them for 2 to 3 minutes, keeping them crisp. It's time to bring everything together. While your vegetables are stir-frying, boil your noodles according to the package instructions until they are perfectly al dente, usually about 3 to 4 minutes. Drain them well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. Now, add the cooked noodles to the wok. Pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and a pinch of black pepper. Almost there. Give everything a good toss, ensuring the noodles are evenly coated with all the delicious sauces and spices. Continue to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, just until everything is heated through and well combined. For a fresh finish, garnish your Desi-style noodles with a sprinkle of fresh chopped spring onions or cilantro. Serve your flavorful creation immediately and savor every bite of your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.